In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a yearly calendar in Google Sheets. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. If you are already signed in to your Google account, you will land on the Sheets homepage where you can create a new spreadsheet or choose from ready-made templates. Using a template is the fastest way to build a clean yearly calendar, since the formatting, month layouts, and basic structure are already set up for you. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, look near the top right area for Template Gallery and click it. This opens a collection of pre-built spreadsheet templates. Take a second to let the gallery load fully, because the calendar templates may appear a moment after the page opens. Next, find the calendar option in the template gallery and click the highlighted calendar template. In many accounts, this is the annual calendar template. Selecting it will automatically generate a new spreadsheet based on that design, and it will open in a new tab. After the template opens, you will see the calendar laid out in a grid. Now click the highlighted area inside the sheet, where the year or date settings are shown. This is the part you will adjust so the calendar matches the year you want. Click directly into that highlighted field so the sheet knows what you are editing. Continue by clicking the next highlighted area that controls the calendar setup. This may be another field connected to the year, such as a cell that drives the month and day labels throughout the sheet. When you update the correct cell, the rest of the calendar can update automatically, so be precise about clicking the highlighted box. Then click the next highlighted spot in the sheet to confirm the calendar settings are selected and applied. If the calendar does not visually change right away, click outside the cell after you make the selection, so Google Sheets saves the entry. Finally, click the last highlighted area to finish the setup and make sure the template is ready to use. At this point, your yearly calendar is created, and you can start adding events, deadlines, or notes directly into the date boxes. A helpful tip is to rename the file in the top left so you can find it quickly later. That covers everything you need to know.